Check. Hello, check.
Hello, check.
Hello, check.
Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, check.
Hello, check.
Hello, check.
Hello,
Hello,
check.
check.
One, two, three. Hello, check.
Hello,
One, two,
check.
three.
Hello, check.
Hello.
Hello, check.
Hello, check. Father.
I can't understand.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Enrica Dapishisha Karhunay, your MC for today's program. It is a great pleasure to welcome you all to this special gathering of the Don Bosco Youth Center. Today we come together to celebrate the incredible talents of our vocal students, all supported by our dedicated faculty and distinguished guests. Before we begin, I'd like to invite Father Michael Mukri, the director of the Don Bosco Youth Center, to say a few words and officially welcome everyone. Please join me in giving him a warm welcome.
So good evening to everyone. I stand here on behalf of Father Riton Bor, our Assistant Director, and teachers who are not here because of this beautiful weather. Although one teacher is here, Miss Lapdiang is here, our teacher. So on behalf of all the teachers, then we have one brother, but he is making his retreat, praying for all of us. On behalf of him, on behalf of the students of the hostel boys that are here, we have around 24 boys in the hostel. I welcome you all. And on behalf of almost 7 to 8,000 students who are already here in the youth center, I welcome all of you. First of all, I welcome Reverend Father John Zosiama, our provincial. May I invite Father Riton Bor to don him with the traditional Janyarindia, and also one of our student, Iba, to give him a bouquet of flowers as a sign of welcome. Let us all give him a big round of applause. Again, you will be seeing Father this month when he is coming for the provincial visitation. At that time also again, we will welcome him. But for this program, this short program this evening, I wholeheartedly welcome you, dear Father Provincial. If our students are here, it's because of our superiors, because of Father Provincial and all the council members. They are the one who supported us from time to time. Youth Center would not be like this if not for the people like Father Provincial and other fathers. Father Chilia, who started this place, it's because he received a mandate or a permission from our superiors, from the provincials in the past. And we have one here representing all the provincials in the past. He is taking that mantle, he is taking that shoulder and taking this youth center, this province to a further height. So thank you, dear Father Provincial. Although you are still coming from Nong Stoin, all the way from Nong Stoin, but you make it a point to be here. That shows your love for Don Bosco Youth Center. That shows your love for these young people. Here it is only a fraction of them. Hope when you come for the provincial visitation, you will be able to meet more than this. This is only the tips of the iceberg, as they said. No? So on behalf of all of them, I welcome you and thank you for your love and for your support to Don Bosco Youth Center. Then we have here in our midst also Father Sylvester Sindrem. He is not a stranger to many of you because Father Sylvester, I think this is his second community. First community is in Lightcore. This is his second community because he loves us so much that whenever we invited him to come for the program, he will never say no. So let us also give a big round of applause to Father Sylvester. He is the parish priest of Lightcore. Then another very, very special person we have here, Father Theobor. Theobor is like the extension of Don Bosco Youth Center. I'm saying this in front of Father Provincial because Father Theo also has supported us from time to time. Whenever I am short of any help, I told him, please lend a little bit. We'll give you back afterwards when we have. Especially when First Fridays is coming, or whenever there is a First Fridays, we give salary to our teachers. I look at my pocket, it is little bit less or something like that. I would always approach him and he will never refuse. And when we have extra, we used to go and give him back. But then that shows the love that he has for young people, the love that he has for Youth Center. So I think it is not wrong to give Father Theobor also a big round of applause. Shall we? Okay. Welcome, Father Theo. We are so happy that you are here. And then we have our sisters here. I know many want to come, but because of these blessings that God has given us today, they could not come. Dear sisters, Sister Superior from St. Mary's, I don't know that she is here because the light is too bright, I cannot even see anybody. So, dear sisters and the girls from St. Mary's and from other communities, most welcome. And we are really honored that you came to see this small program of our young people. Let us also give them a big round of applause. Then I stand here to welcome our parents, your parents. If not for your parents, you wouldn't be here. Am I right? So shall we welcome your parents, although they are here almost every day. But today, in a very special way, let us welcome them by giving them a thunderous round of applause. So to you, dear parents, welcome. And thank you very much for trusting Don Bosco Youth Center, for sending your children here. I know this is not the ending. This is only the beginning. Your child will start their career from here. As many of you know, we have the various competitions where we are able to send people outside of the state, even outside of the country. One such example is here, standing here, Chevinia. She even won the UK Vocal Star singing competition last year. This year we tried to send one student to US, but unfortunately God is not giving us that opportunity this time. I know He will give us next time. So we were not chosen for the Voice in America. But definitely next time we will work harder, and we will also send people to the US. We are trying to send her some other country. Because we don't get in the US, we are trying to send her somewhere else in other country. Let us see, we still work. So thank you for trusting us. Thank you for sending your children to Don Bosco Youth Center. And with your cooperation, we know this is only the beginning for them. This is only the initial stage. They will soar higher in the future. So thank you very much, dear parents, and welcome to this gathering. We welcome, especially this evening, Miss Lapdiang. If our students, if your children can sing like I sing, you know that I'm a best singer, right? Or much better than me, it's because of Miss Lapdiang. She spent her entire time here teaching not only this, but also many past students in the past. So dear Miss Lapdiang, we are so fortunate to have you in our community, in our institution. And this evening especially, we welcome you. Let us give Miss a round of applause, a big round of applause. Then also we have our teacher, sound teacher, Sir May Ibor. We welcome you and thank you for your generosity in giving us this sound system to be used this evening. We welcome also the media staff of the province, the Don Bosco Media Network of the province. Mama is here and all the teams are here. We welcome them and we thank you for the service that you rendered to us, for doing the live today, and also for all the arrangements that you have made. I welcome, last but not the least, our young students who will be performing the program today. All of them, I welcome you to Don Bosco Youth Center. Although this is your home, as you have said, this is your home. Today, this evening, in a very special way, I welcome you back to Don Bosco Youth Center. See, the weather is like this. So as I told you, we will have the same concert with different songs in December, pre-Christmas, where you will have also your party and everything, because I think this is what God wanted us. He said, no, I don't want October Christmas, or I don't want October concert. I want Christmas concert. So we are going to have once more a concert in Christmas time, before Christmas time, as a pre-Christmas, where our children, our students will perform again, maybe not the same songs, Christmas songs. And after that, they will have their evening time with us at Don Bosco Youth Center. And to all of you who are here, welcome and have a pleasant evening. Erica, welcome, our MC for this evening. Welcome to you too, and thank you for the service that you render to Don Bosco Youth Center. So once again, dear parents, dear Father Provincial, Father Sil, Father Theo, Father Ritonbor who is here, the sisters, and boys and girls around here, and parents especially, welcome, and please have a nice time this evening with our kids, with our students. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for that warm welcome. We are truly grateful for your leadership and support. Now let's take a moment to recognize our esteemed guests who have joined us today. Father John Dosaima, the Provincial, Father Dionysius Wanyang, the Province Economer, Father Philip Barjo, the Rector, Father Anthony Carcongor, the Vice Rector and Principal of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, all the other fathers and sisters present, especially our Sister Ranu, the Superior from St. Mary's Convent, and other sisters and the convent girls. Ms. Lapdiang, our dedicated vocal teacher, and of course, the parents and vocal students of the Youth Center. Thank you all for being here to support our talented performers. Now we've come to the most awaited part of this evening, and to kick things off, we have the uplifting song, It's a Beautiful Day. This piece reminds us to embark the joy in our lives. Let's enjoy this wonderful performance.
See, this morning I woke
a beautiful day. Don't fuss and fight, let us unite. We've got one life, so let's make it right. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. So yeah, though I walk through the valley of the shadows of death, I will fear no evil, won't be dismayed. When I say we've got one life, so let's make it right. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Don't fuss and fight, let us unite. We've got one life, so let's make it right. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
That is truly a fantastic start. It is indeed a beautiful day, and that performance set the perfect tone for our event. Next, we have the iconic Bohemian Rhapsody. This classic by Queen takes us on an emotional journey. Let's hear this wonderful performance.
Hello, check. Hello, check.
Hello, check.
Is this a real life? Is just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality.
Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy, because I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anyway the wind blows doesn't really matter to me.
Mama, just kill a man. Put a gun against his head. Pulled my trigger, now it's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but now I've gone and thrown it all away. Mama, I don't wanna cry if I'm not back again this time tomorrow. Carry on, as if nothing really matters.
Too late, my time has come.
My time is gone.
Send shivers down my spine, but it's taking all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave it all behind and fade the truth. Mama, I don't wanna die. I sometimes wish I'd never been born at Nothing really matters. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters to me.
Thank you.
Absolutely spectacular. The energy and talent in that performance were remarkable. A round of applause for our performers. Next up, we have Slipping Through My Fingers. This touching song speaks to the bittersweet nature of growing up. Please enjoy.
The feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I think I'm close to nowhere, she keeps on going, slipping through my fingers all the time. Sleep in our eyes, her and me at the breakfast table, barely awake, how that precious time go by. Then when she's gone, there's an old melancholy feeling and a sense of guilt I can't deny. What happened to the wonderful adventures? The places I have planned for us to go. Well, some of that we did, but most we didn't. And why, I just don't know. Slipping through my fingers all the time, I try to capture every minute. The feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I think I'm close to nowhere, she keeps on going, slipping through my fingers all the time. Sometimes I wish that I could freeze the pictures and save it from the funny tricks of time. My fingers all the time. School bag in hand, she leaves home in the early morning, waving goodbye with an absent-minded smile.
Thank you for the wonderful performance. It is a poignant reminder of how quickly time flies. Up next is I Think They Call This Love. The song captures the essence of love and connection. Let's give it a listen.
Hello, check.
They say you know and you know, so let's face it. You had me at hello. Hesitation never helps. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. One smile, one kiss, two lonely heart is all that it takes now, baby. You're on my mind every night, every day. Good vibrations getting loud. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. Oh, I think they call this love. What could this be between you and me? Oh, all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call, oh, I think they call, yes, I think they call this love. Ooh, this love. Thank you.
The emotion conveyed in that performance truly resonated with all of us. Thank you for that wonderful performance. Next, we have the enchanting A Whole New World from Aladdin. The song captures the magic of new experience. Let's enjoy this captivating performance.
Hello, check. Hello.
Hello, check.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes and take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
Thank you for the magical performance. It is amazing how music can transport us to new worlds. Now we shift gears to the wonderful, powerful duet, Shallow. Sorry for the inconvenience. Next up we have If I Ain't Got You. Give a huge round of applause for our performer. Sorry for the inconvenience as there were some changes in the program list. Next, we have the light-hearted classic, Don't Worry, Be Happy. The song reminds us to find joy and positivity in our lives. Let's enjoy this uplifting performance.
but don't worry. Be happy. Be happy, no, 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 no.
Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy.
What a wonderful performance. It's a great reminder to keep smiling and stay positive. At this moment, I would like to invite our esteemed provincial, Father John Josaima, to share a few words of encouragement with our students. Please join me in welcoming Father John Josaima, our provincial.
Good evening, dear Father Michael Macri, Father Ritonbor, and Father Saji, Father Sylvester, Father Theobor, and all dear fathers, sisters. I cannot see you very clearly, and my dear friends, and all the vocal students, those who are performing very well. So good evening. I'm very glad to be in your midst this evening. This is the first time that I think I am present for this vocal students concert. So Father Michael Macri, with his initiative and creative way, has initiated so many new programs in Don Bosco Youth Center. So as he said in the beginning, Father Chilia started this youth center for the young people and for various training programs, and also guiding them and having animation program for them. For so many years it was going on. Then after that, Father Michael introduced so many other things, and also this Don Bosco Media Network, and also the TV channel, and so many other things he has introduced. So I must congratulate him and his team. And also congratulations all those who have come to participate in this concert of the vocal students. And the students, those who have already passed out, those who have come to encourage also, and also our neighboring these communities, and also relatives and friends. Thank you very much for your presence. So music is a very important part of our life. It is like the soul. It is the soul of our body. And Don Bosco used to say, a Salesian house without music is a body without soul. So music has become part and parcel of our life, and especially for us, especially Salesians. And so we have so many occasions that we can expose our talents and singing, maybe during the prayer, maybe during some of the programs. And so we want to continue to promote this music, and especially young people who have so many talents. In Northeast India, as I have seen, we are very talented, especially in music and singing. We have very good voices, but very often our young people do not have this kind of a platform to also to show their talents and also to develop their talents. And so in one way, this Don Bosco Youth Center is promoting and giving opportunity for our young people to develop their talents and also to go ahead in life. And so that is, I must congratulate once again. This is a beautiful occasion for all of us as we come together and as we are witnessing also. So many of you have beautiful talents, beautiful voices. We are not able to judge who is the best and who is better and who is not better. It is very difficult for us. All of you are good, very good voices. I hope you will continue to develop your talents, what is God has given you, this one, and to continue to develop and use it to praise God and also to entertain people and to give also people joy, happiness as you are singing. So I wish you all the best in your future too. Continue to develop your talents and have a beautiful evening. And may God bless you all. Thank you very much for this invitation. Wishing you all the best. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Thank you, Father Provincial, for your inspiring words. Up next, we have If I Ain't Got You by one of the vocal students. Let's enjoy this lovely performance.
Of want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Yeah. If I ain't got you with me, baby, say nothing in this whole wide world don't mean a thing if I ain't got you with me, baby. Thank you.
Thank you to our performer for that wonderful song. Our next song is This Is a Man's World. This powerful piece highlights the strength and resilience of women. Let's give our performers a warm welcome.
This is a man's world. This is a man's world. But it would be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. You see, a man made the cross that takes over the road. A man made the train that carry them heavy loads. A man made the electric light that takes us out of the dark. Man made the boat for the water, like Noah made the ark. This is a man's world. But it would be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. Man thinks about a little bit of baby girls and baby boys. A man makes them happy, 'cause man makes some toys. And after man make everything he can, you know that man made money to buy from other men. This is a man's world. But it would be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. This is a man's world. But it wouldn't be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. Thank you.
That is truly an incredible performance. That performance was filled with strength and emotion. Thank you for that impactful rendition. Now we shift gears to the powerful duet Shallow from A Star Is Born. The song explores the depth of yearning and authenticity. And I can't wait to hear it. Let's give a huge round of applause to our performers.
Hello, check. Check. Hello, check.
Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself.
Tell me something, boy. Are you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself. I'm of the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash to the surface where they can hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Now that was breathtaking. The emotion in that performance was truly captivating. Next we have Oh Darling, a heartfelt plea that showcased the depth of longing. Let's listen to this passionate performance.
Oh, darling, please believe
Thank you. What an emotional delivery. Thank you to our performers for sharing that heartfelt moment with us. Our next song is Open Arms, a beautiful testament to love and acceptance. Let's enjoy this touching performance.
Check.
Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could I love be so blind? We sail on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms. Living without you, living alone. This empty house seems so cold. Did you hold you, wanting you? How much I wanted you home. Now that you've come back tonight and today, I need you to stay. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms. Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine.
Thank you.
The warmth of that song is truly uplifting. Thank you to our talented performer. Now we have the classic Hey Jude. This timeless anthem encourages us to embrace life's challenges. Let's join in for this memorable performance. Hey Jude always brings a sense of unity and joy. Thank you for that uplifting performance. Next is One Love, a powerful call for unity and togetherness. Its messages resonate now more than ever. Let's hear this uplifting performance.
Check.
dirty remarks. There is one question I really love to ask. Is there a place for that hopeless sailor who's had hurt of that kind just to save his own? Believe me, one love, one about one heart. One heart. Well, let's get together and feel alright. One love. Shall it be in the beginning? One heart. Shall it be till the end? Get together and feel alright. Singing one love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Sweet in the best, it's by my doorsteps, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. Say, this is my message to you. Sing it, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Sing it, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
What a beautiful reminder of our shared humanity. Thank you to our performers for that heartwarming rendition. Now let's lighten the mood with Mamma Mia. This fun and energetic song is sure to get our spirits soaring. Enjoy this lovely performance. Mamma Mia never fails to bring a smile to our faces. Great job, everyone. Thank you for that lovely performance. I hope you all are enjoying the evening so far. Finally, we wrap up with the iconic duet, You're the One I Want, from Greece. This catchy tune is a perfect way to end our program on a high note. Let's enjoy this exciting performance.
I got chills, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control. 'Cause the power you're supplying, it's electrifying.
Gotta shake up, 'cause I need a man, and my heart is set on you. Gotta shake up, yeah, I understand. To my heart, I must be true. You're the one I want, you are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one I want, you are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one I want, you are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one I need. Oh yes, indeed. If you feel with affection, you're too shy to convey. Meditate my direction. Feel your way. Let me shake up, 'cause I need a man. I need a man who can keep me satisfied. Let me shake up, I'm gonna prove. You made it prove that my heart is justified. Are you sure? I'm sure down deep inside. You're the one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one I need. Oh yes, indeed. The one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one I need. Oh yes, indeed. The one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one I need. Oh yes, indeed. The one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one I need. Oh yes, indeed.
What an electrifying performance. Thank you all to our performers for their hard work and talent today. You've all brought such joy and inspiration to our gathering. Before we conclude, I would like to invite Father Ridonbor Karkongor, the Assistant Director, to deliver the vote of thanks. Please join me in welcoming Father Ridonbor.
I should be standing here this evening because we have had a wonderful program this evening. So as we draw this wonderful Sing Out Loud concert to a close, it is my honor to extend our heartfelt gratitude first and foremost to God for granting us the opportunity to gather here in celebration of music and talent, and especially the beautiful performances from our students. His presence has guided us throughout this journey, and we are truly grateful for God's blessings, for His inspiration and joy that music brings into our lives. A heartfelt thank you to our esteemed guests. In the first place, to Father John Suzyama, the provincial of our province. Your presence here today has truly elevated this event, and we are deeply appreciative of your support. Thank you, Father, for taking the time to join us and for sharing your insights and encouragement with all of us. Your leadership and commitment to our community inspire us to strive for excellence in all our endeavors. I would also like to express our sincere appreciation to all the fathers, brothers and sisters from the nearby communities. Your presence is a significant source of encouragement to our vocal students and has reinforces the sense of community to all of us. Thank you so much. We are grateful to the Don Bosco Media Network of our province for the incredible support in live telecasting this event and providing coverage for our Sing Out Loud concert. Your efforts have ensured that our performances reach a wider audience, allowing more people to share in the joy of our students' talents. We extend our appreciation and gratitude to Mr. Meaibor Pathau, our sound in charge and dedicated teacher, for ensuring that everything sounded perfect this evening. A heartfelt thank you to Ms. Enrica Karunai for being an outstanding MC for this concert. Your energy and charm truly brought the event to life, making everyone feel welcome and engaged. A heartfelt thank you to the hostel boys and the media staff who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to prepare the venue and manage all the requirements for this event. We also extend our appreciation to the parents and loved ones of our vocal students for their unwavering support. A special thanks goes to Ms. Lapriang Akor, our vocal teacher, whose dedication and passion have nurtured our students' talents. Your guidance has not only helped them develop their skills, but has also instilled in them the confidence to share their voices with all of us this evening. Above all, we commend the vocal students of DBYC for their outstanding performances this evening. We are incredibly proud of you. Your hard work, enthusiasm, and commitment were evident in your performances. You have shown us the power of music to inspire and uplift, and this evening you have truly shown and made this concert a memorable experience. Let us give everyone a big round of applause. Lastly, I would like to express words of gratitude to Father Anthony, also the SYM coordinator of our province, for being the support of this event. I would like to, in a very special way, I would like to acknowledge the contribution, especially to Father Michael Macri, the director of our center. Your guidance and vision, Father, have been instrumental in bringing this program to life, and we are grateful for your leadership. Once again, let us give Father a very big round of applause. Thank you once again to everyone for being a part of this celebration of music and community. Thank you to St. Mary's Convent for sending the girls to witness this evening's program. And to everyone, in case I've missed someone, please accept this appreciation from this community. So we look forward to many more such gatherings in the future. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Father, for those kind words. As we wrap up, I'd like to express my gratitude to all our guest performers and everyone who contributed to making this event a success. Let's carry the spirit of joy and community with us as we leave today. Have a wonderful evening. Before we leave, let us all rise and sing together the hymn to Don Bosco, which will be projected on the screen.
Okay, before we sing the last hymn, I would like to thank also Father Riton Bor. He forgot to thank himself. Let us give him also a big round of applause. Okay. Then, after the last song, after Don Bosco, you are all invited to take tea. Take tea. All of you are invited to take tea here, including our students. And of course, we will meet again. We will again discuss in the WhatsApp group. Since Christmas is still far away, we will meet again for some small lunch or dinner together. We'll discuss in the WhatsApp group, okay? Today we take a tea there with all your parents and everyone. After that, maybe after some of you, your exams are over, we shall have our lunch, special lunch or special dinner here. Okay? Ani Bishni. Okay, no worry. You have done very, very well. Okay, let us all rise and we will sing the hymn to Don Bosco and then we'll go for tea. Once again, thanks to all of you, dear friends, for supporting our students. We thank you, O Lord, for Don Bosco. In him we see the wonders of your love. You filled him with gifts of nature and of grace, who lead young people to their home above. Thank you, O Lord, for Don Bosco. In him we see the wonders of your love. You filled him with gifts of nature and of grace, to lead young people to their home above. He was a man profoundly human, open to the signs of the times. And yet he was a man of God. We thank you, O Lord, for Don Bosco. In him we see the wonders of your love. You filled him with gifts of nature and of grace, to lead young people to their home above. Enable us to be his double, faithful in the service of you. Open hardships with firmness, with hearts filled with love. We thank you, O Lord, for Don Bosco. In him we see the wonders of your love. You filled him with gifts of nature and of grace, to lead young people to their home above.
Well, I just would like to give you an information. I was supposed to be here from the beginning, but I was watching live right from Barapani. I was watching all the very beautiful vocalists. I congratulate them. On this year, the SOM will be organizing the Christmas Carol Festival competition. So the prizes will be big. In collaboration with the media, we are going to organize the Christmas Carol Festival competition, open to all Northeast. So I wish these singers also to prepare. It's a big prize. We've got sponsors from so many. And to celebrate the birth of Jesus, the SOM thought of organizing this festival. And on 21st, we have the Northeast Open to All basketball tournament and All India basketball tournament in our campus here. So it's also a big prize, 33 lakhs pool prize. So for that, I would request and invite Father Makri with the group to kindly present the last song for the audience, the last song which you sang just now. I would request you, Madam, you are the tutor of the students. So yeah. It will be of great, great joy, and to witness many people from India will be coming to witness this great tournament. So we work together in collaboration with media. So thank you. God bless.
I forgot. If you can all see all of us, is because of the light system. I forgot. So big words of gratitude to Jaden and his friends for the light system. Thank you so much. Let us give him and his friends a big round of applause. Okay, the program has come to an end. We can move to the... Father Provincial would like to take a photo. Yes, yes, I think all the fathers also. Father Economa, please come. Well done. Hey, congratulations. Very good.
Yes, all we care about is I'm fighting, keeping them good vibes in the air now.
The country's song.
City